This is the purple list. Number 1, reduction. There was a reduction in workers at the YMCA because of the snowstorm. Number 2 is imitation. The imitation looks pretty much like the first thing, but it's not as good. Number 3 is introduce. Please introduce me to your grandma at the winter holiday celebration. Number 4 is imitate. I can imitate a puppy. You would think you were seeing the real thing. Number 5 is introduction. The speaker gave an introduction before giving his speech. Number 6 is translation. I need a translation of the movie because it is in Spanish and I don't speak Spanish. Number 7 is reduce. I will reduce the number of kids carrying the lunch bin because it's too many. Number 8 is translate. I will translate that message for you because it's in secret code. Number 9 is illustration. I like this illustration because it matches what I expected it to look like. Number 10 is congratulation. I will offer you a congratulation for completing this test.